Does CrankWheel work on mobile? You're probably wondering if you can use this tool for quick, screen sharing calls on the go. Well, in this quick explainer, you're going to find out everything you need to know about using CrankWheel on mobile, and trust me, you'll want to stick around for the last part because there's an exclusive bonus for you. First thing, yes, CrankWheel is mobile friendly, but there are some important things you should know. The mobile version of CrankWheel allows for seamless screen sharing, so you can present your screen to clients, prospects, or anyone else directly from your phone. This makes it super convenient if you're away from your computer, but still need to give that important demo or talk through a presentation. Next thing, the CrankWheel app works on both iOS and Android devices. However, if you're thinking about using the mobile version, keep in mind that certain features might be slightly different compared to using it on a desktop or a laptop. For example, the mobile interface is optimized for smaller screens, so things may be more compact. You'll still have the core functionality, but the layout and presentation might feel a little tighter, especially if you have a larger demo or screen to show. The third thing to consider is that while CrankWheel on mobile is quite powerful, there are some limitations compared to the full desktop experience. For instance, if you want to share your entire screen or switch between apps, it's a bit trickier than on a desktop. But for quick, efficient sharing of just one window or presentation, it works like a charm. Now, the fourth thing, audio. The mobile version of CrankWheel allows you to use your device's microphone and speaker for communication, but you might want to ensure you're in a quiet environment. Mobile audio can sometimes be less clear than using a desktop mic, so always check your sound levels before jumping into a call. Finally, here's the cool part. I've got a special deal for you. If you're ready to try out CrankWheel for yourself, you can use it completely free through the first link in the description below. This isn't just a normal trial, it's an exclusive extended free trial that will give you all the features you need without any upfront costs. So, does CrankWheel work on mobile? Absolutely, but like anything, there are some differences between the mobile and desktop versions. If you're planning to use it frequently on the go, it's worth giving it a test run to see how it fits your needs. Remember, you can get that extended free trial through the link below, and it's a great chance to see if CrankWheel is the right fit for your mobile business needs. Be sure to check out the link below and enjoy the free trial while it lasts.